Hi y'all, this is Crystal from Crafty Sides Reads Some More. I'm going to get here and show y'all how this cute little idea. I know there's lots of chew trays out there, but look at this, y'all. They have these at the Dollar Tree. Pretty little plate, a saucer, like a teal color. And then these are candle holders. And look at that design on there. Isn't it just adorable? This on here. This on top. Adorable, adorable, adorable. I'm using Gorilla hot glue stick, not glue gun, hot glue gun, and E6000. And even some ideas, y'all, that I had. You can use any color paint, but I thought you could even take paint and some water it down a little bit, and swirl inside of this and let it dry, and then it would kind of match the color. Or even the little vase fillers. Put some vase fillers in here before you put it in between your two trays. Let me turn this so you can see it. Hopefully I won't drop it. See, look how pretty that would be. Alright. Now, you have to center. What I like about these plates is, if you can see, they got swirls in them. And it's circulars. So I'll tell you exactly where you put this at and be in the center. Right there's the center dot. You can see that. So you can center this. Or you could measure it. You take this, put it in here, you can put vase fillers in it, you can put a design in it, you can put things in it. And then when you put this on top and you glue it, you'll be able to see that through the clear. And see how it's got cracks in it? I like the paint idea too. Either way it would look pretty. And look at this ribbon, y'all. See how it would match those plates? It's got the teal pumpkins in it. Look how pretty that would be. Match those plates. I have an idea. I got these little orange and white balls. And well, it's being a stubborn little outfit. I'm going to pour these in here. Now, you don't want to do this if you don't want to use it for like a fall one, or unless you have orange in the decoration. I like that. I made the other one plain. It's just left clear. I think it's really cute. This one, I want it to be like more like a fall one, so I'm going to do this. Now, to put it together, I'm going to put E6000 on the bottom. I'll put the hand over it to hold it. E6000 on the bottom, because that is like a permanent, so it'll hold together and it won't go anywhere. Lid on it. And then I'm going to take my hot glue, my Gorilla Glue, and that with two different kinds of really, really good strong glue. It should work out good. Now, many of these plates have ridges. And I like that because I can see exactly where the center is, and then it's got little rings around it. So that'll help me to place this. There's that. I like that, y'all. It's cute. Okay, now. And then I'm going to put E6000 around the top here. Okay. Put some of this on here in spots, so go ahead and start drying immediately. And I'm going to hold it there for a few seconds. Now, this E6000 has to sit dry for like several hours, so I'll leave it sitting overnight. But look how cute, y'all. Look how cute that is. And I'll take some pics too. But then, look. See with the pumpkins? Ribbon? Look, y'all. See? The teal, the orange, and the little gnomes. It'll all bring it together with this little tray. And then make some little gnomes and put some little pumpkins on there. I do have some Dollar Tree pumpkins. Look how cute this will be. Y'all, all kinds of cute little fun ideas. But you put what you want on here. But I do love that cracked vase. Come from the Dollar Tree. To put it in the center of these. It makes it more solid. It's very, and then you can put anything you want in the vase, y'all, to make it stand out. Anything. Alright, thank y'all for joining me. I hope y'all try this, and then show us your pics. Come and join us at Crafty Sides Reads Some More. Thank you for joining me, and I'm going to post more videos of stuff I'm going to add to it. Bye-bye.